This is the current state of my kitchen. I officially have moved out of my old place and I am completely moved in here. And these are my groceries that I have to unpack from the old place and now put into this fridge. There's a lot of stuff in here, but um, yeah, even the Mac's in here. Because this is actually the cleanest space in my house right now. I am going to sleep in the kitchen tonight. It'll be interesting. And for some reason, when I started the reno redo process, I was like, I have a feeling I'm gonna have to sleep in every single room. And so my goal is to get this space, like right now at least, decent enough to lay my head. I've laid my head in some pretty rough places. I mean, once you've slept in your car, you can pretty much sleep anywhere. And I've done that several times. But I'm gonna get it comfy enough. I mean, I have to be so thankful that I have like my own place. I have a roof over my head with a lot of rooms and stuff and places to put things. But I think before I was how do you turn this around? I think before I was moving a little bit slower than I should have. And excuse this crappy image. I broke my phone, and I also don't know where my camera is right now. It's packed somewhere, and I have to find it. It's probably upstairs, I'm sure. But I think it looks like I'm dying. Look at me going into heaven. Um, I haven't shaved in 3 weeks, I think. I haven't cut my hair, but my hair curls pretty tightly, so it doesn't matter. Anyways, I was moving a little bit slower, I think, than I probably will now. And so I think it's gonna be uh, the pace is gonna be increased like crazy because now it's affecting my quality of life, and I can't let that happen. So what's next is this weekend I plan to prime and paint. Hopefully do both. I hope I can do both. I should be able to do both. Priming shouldn't take so long. I hope to prime and paint the bedroom that I'm going to be sleeping in. That way I can get started. Oh, I'm so sweaty. That way I can get started on the flooring. And then once the flooring goes down in the bedroom, then I can start sleeping in there. Even if it is me sleeping on the floor, I'll at least be sleeping on my mattress, which is so comfortable that I don't mind sleeping on the floor on the mattress. It's fine. I'm gonna build my bed for that room because I hate the king size bed frame that the owners left, and I've already sort of taken it apart temporarily until I put it partially back to. I think I'm just gonna prop it up when I go to sell it. But that's gonna take a while because I have to clean out the basement, and I don't have the energy for that right now. I just want to get the main bedroom floor down and painted and all that kind of stuff so I can actually sleep in a decent space. Yeah. So I guess I won't sleep in every room because I'll start sleeping in there once it all gets sorted. Yeah, this is the real nitty gritty of the journey, and I'm kind of nervous. Not really. No, I'm not nervous. I wouldn't even say I'm nervous. I'm just tired right now. It's been a long day. Today I woke up, worked out, um, then I started packing up all of my stuff from my place, cleaning it, and then I had to stop by the post office for something that I sold on eBay, so I had to make sure that got sent off. And then I had to finish cleaning, finish moving stuff, several trips. Then I had to go to Home Depot to pick up a truck to move my mattress and bring in some MDF that I'm going to use for wainscoting in the house and skirting board. And so I did that. My friend Jason helped me move my mattress to the new place, which was a big help because I thought I could do it alone, but decided not to. And then after that, the car I just bought, the previous seller left his tag on the back, and so I had to meet his roommate to give him the tag. So I've just been in a car all day, back and forth, back and forth. So with that said, I don't feel like cooking. I don't even feel like the typical rotisserie chicken when I'm tired. So I'm gonna order food. And I think it's also because I've missed eating at this restaurant. It's one of my favorite restaurants in town. It's a Thai restaurant. And a lot of the food is very nostalgic for me because a lot of my friends and I ate there when we were going to uni. And so I'm going to order some food from there. I'll show you what I get. And that's going to be my night. I'm going to clean up a little bit, do some dusting, and I am going to make this into my bedscape. I'm going to be sleeping here. So dirty. I'm going to make it work. And I'm going to have my Mac to watch some Blackish on Hulu because I'm catching up. I was watching I'm in season 4, I think, when they have marriage issues, and that was really tough for me last night because I'm going through all these changes and I'm moving and making a lot of big changes, and so watching that before I went to bed last night wasn't the most therapeutic. But hopefully the episodes that I watch tonight will make me feel a little bit better. And yeah, every time I'm in this house, I always see something else that's wrong. I'm looking at this right here, and I'm just like, I can't wait to go to Hobby Lobby and pick up some panels to make curtains with. And I'm gonna do a double rod system for the entire house, so that whenever you are on the exterior, you see one type of panel of curtain, one type of panel of drapes. Yeah, whatever. And on the inside, I can vary it up. So like if I want to have some onyx or some green or navy drapes on the inside, I'll have those too. And also it'll just help with darkening the rooms and soundproofing the rooms. I have to get all the windows changed because my neighbor is quite annoying. And yeah, that's a little bit of the stuff I'm seeing. It'll be interesting to see what I don't like and what I will change about this place as I start actually living here, because I've been periphery for so long, but I'm in it. So I'm gonna take a little second, order some food, and yeah, that's gonna be it. It seems that COVID has claimed the hours of my Thai restaurant. I don't know what times they're open. Sometimes I drive by and there's open sign in the front window, but I called and I kept calling and I got no answer. So I think it's gonna be canned vegetables and rotisserie chicken. I don't know where the can opener is. No beans.